I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up.
Welcome to Lolly's Learning Curve. I am tired today. Basically, last night was a really rough night because my baby has a fever, and so I've been dealing with that all night long. My kids are still asleep. It's quite late. I'm not even sure why they're asleep so late. Excuse the grogginess, the lack of sleep. My husband's on his way home right now, so hopefully I get a little help. I really just want to call this whole day off, to be honest with you. But I'm not. I'm going to keep going. And I wanted to give you guys a rundown of how the day went yesterday with the workshops. It was a great success. And today, it's an easier day. We have math, computer, and video learning. So I'm going to set up a child on Dreambox or ABC Mouse or Hooked on Phonics, whichever one they decide. I'll let them decide. So we have computer, then we have math, and for math, I'm actually choosing what they're going to do today. And this is a math worksheet that I found online. This is from K5 Learning, and it's basically just count the circles and write the numbers and then find the sum. So it's, fairly easy. And then for my toddler, what I'll have her do is like I'll get some blocks and I'll say count the five, gather blocks, take a specific color out, so get all the green blocks out of this pile and then count those blocks, and then so she'll get colors and counting out of that activity. Oh, excuse me. So I'm going to do only we did about 15 to 20 minutes on each workshop yesterday. Same thing is going to apply today, and so that's all we're going to be doing today. That's it. I'm not doing anything else because I'm trying to tell you guys I am tired. And my husband has been up all night long because he's been at work. And so I know he's tired too. So I'm not going to overwhelm us. It's like my father always said, you have to take care of home base first. If you don't take care of yourself, you can't take care of your family. So I'm cooking breakfast right now while I'm filming this. And I am going to get through this. Now, one thing I wanted to make note of, and I might add this diagram in here for new homeschooling parents, or homeschooling parents in general. You don't have to homeschool your kids all day. It does not take 8 hours a day. Unless they're older and they have a heavier workload, you don't need to be homeschooling your kids all day long. Especially for young kids. My kids are very young. I'm telling you guys, I do 1 hour to 2 hours tops. And 2 hours is on a day where we're just really into it, or maybe there's a subject that we're not getting and I need to spend an extra little bit of time on it, or maybe when things are getting kind of chaotic around here and I have to kind of like break things up throughout the day. But total 1 to 2 hours tops. They're small children that I have. They're, you got to try to keep their attention, and it's hard to do if you have them trying to learn for long periods of time. Okay, so I'm going to add some videos in of what happened yesterday, and I'm going to give you guys a little rundown. Basically, my daughter and son decided that they wanted to trace these for writing time, which was fine with me. I printed these offline too. I found these online, some free prints. And I also had another option was they could do their names. Now I printed this off of A to Z Teacher .com, I think that's what it's called. A to Z teacherstuff.com. So they have the option. They can either trace their names or trace the alphabet chart. They chose the alphabet chart, which was fine with me. And so my son, they're going to start coming down. So my son, super neat freak, so he's very neat. But you'll see in the video that I'm having a hard time getting my daughter's attention. I said in my previous video that it's hard for her to keep her attention. So I have to keep reminding her and keep working with her. So because while my other kids were working on something that wasn't as tedious, I was able to help her. Yes, dear. What you gonna have for breakfast? I'm making it right now. Can you go? You want to go get yourself together? Yeah. Okay, go upstairs and I'll be up there. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Good morning. So, that was good for me because I was able to help her and spend more time with her on that. Another thing that happened was on the preschool learning box that I just showed, she was able to sit and actually take her time to do matches. That is something that we struggle with a lot when everybody is playing together. She'll just take them and just like play with them, spread them out. But she actually took her time to make some matches, and I was very impressed and I was very proud of her. And so that was good. My son did a really good job on his writing, and he was able to focus without having any outside distractions. And 1 second, can you go back upstairs? I eat the food. I eat the food. Oh, okay. Go upstairs so I can change it. I'm almost done, okay? So he was able to do his writing without many distractions, and I really like that. Zara, my baby girl, she worked on art. And she also wanted to do the color blocks and put the color puzzles. Zara can actually identify the words of her colors, which I didn't know up until like a few months ago. I was like, I didn't know you could do that. And so she knows what the words of colors look like, and so she can identify those and she can match them up. But yesterday she was kind of like out of it. She was just having tantrums all day. She just wasn't in, she didn't want to be involved, but she did do her art portion. And so I helped her trace the word ladybug at the bottom of her picture, and she really liked that. So that was one of the wins. What else did Zara do yesterday? I think that was pretty much it. And I, oh, she said she wanted to do some flashcards. So we went over some flashcards together, and that was basically it. She kept saying that she wanted to do the puzzle, and I let her do it, but she just kept having tantrums, and she was just all over the place. So that was, she had a rough day yesterday. Yeah, so today I actually got an email from Dreambox saying that they missed the kids on there, so they might be doing Dreambox. But I'll let them choose, just the same way I let them choose most of their activities yesterday. I let them choose. And then again, for math, that's going to be that. And I think for review on YouTube today, I am going to let them review the continents. Yeah, the continents and the oceans. So they know that there are 7 continents. They can actually name their continents, but sometimes, like if it's been a while, they'll like forget them, or struggle, not forget, but they'll struggle sometimes. So I want it to be kind of fluent so that we can move on to other things. So continents review and the oceans of the world, so they can name the 5 oceans and know where they're located on a map. And so that's what they're going to be reviewing today on video learning. And for that, I'm going to be using Homeschool Pop. If you guys don't know about Homeschool Pop, you should. It's a really neat channel. It's very engaging. My kids really like it. Homeschool Pop has helped with continence. Um, it has a money video, counting money and like learning the denominations of money. Homeschool Pop has planets. That my son went through a phase where he was just obsessed with planets, and Homeschool Pop was one of the videos that he watched. Um, it talks about different climates. Homeschool Pop has a lot of information for kids. Very resourceful. Oh, my daughter loves their insect video. I think they have like 2 insect videos, but Homeschool Pop is the truth. It's on YouTube. Check that out. So, again, some of the resources that I'm using today and that I used yesterday was for this worksheet for this print. You guys, for this sheet, it's A2ZTeacherStuff.com. Okay, you can make your own worksheets online. So I created this online. You can do that on that site. I don't even know where I found this. I probably just typed in free traceable or writing practice or whatever and found this and printed that off. And this one, K5 Learning. And so this is on k5learning.com. It has the website on the bottom there. And I'm thinking, especially one day when I'm able to leave the house again, because I just have to use what I have. I'm not leaving the house for anything non-essential, but I do order, even before this, I order everything online basically through Walmart grocery. And so a lot of times for their materials, I'll order through Walmart grocery. So I might order them this week or maybe later on this month, some better stuff to put up. And basically where I put these things, guys, I set one paper, reading was in the living room, so I just put this up on the wall in my living room. Art was at their table in their playroom, and so oh boy. So I just stuck it up on the wall so they know where they were at and gave them the option or whatever. And then the writing was over here. So actually I just put the writing on the wall right behind me, and my kids sat here at the table and did the writing. It's super simple. Not a lot of thought, but there was a lot of thought in it. But there wasn't a lot of thought in the signage. So I'm thinking about getting some other things. And I also want to get like a particle board to put in their playroom homeschool area so that I can like put some of their work up there, because right now I'm just using the refrigerator. And I'd like to have my refrigerator back. It's cute to have their stuff up there, but it'd also be nice to just, you know, let my refrigerator be pretty on its own. So yeah, so that's what we're doing today, and I'm super excited, super tired, and hopefully I can get my life right. There's another kid coming, so now I gotta go. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to make some video today. Husband's home now. I'm gonna make some video today of their progress, and I'm gonna add that into this video too. And so look at that, and I thank you guys for watching. Until next time, have a blessed day, you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Share. I hope that this is inspirational for you. And I also hope that this helps. If it's not you, I hope it helps a friend or a family member. Comment any questions, anything you want to know, anything you want to learn, anything you want to teach me. I'm down. I'm open. All right, guys. All right, bye-bye. So today's 3 workstations were writing, reading, and art. And they were a success.
My father hated me.
I let them choose what thing they wanted to do under each subject. And so they decided they wanted to, for writing, to do this tracing exercise, which was good because I was able to help my daughter with her tracing. And then for art, I chose this for them. And then for reading, they decided to do that word puzzle that I showed you earlier.
Oh, my father too.
First time, so it was a success today. All right, so this is the computer workshop. workshop number 2. Stop, girl. And Zara decided she didn't, no, you can't do that. Zara decided she didn't want to do ABC Mouse. She says that she wants to play on the tablet. So I've set up Dreambox over here for whoever's next, and they also have the tablet, so they can choose to do Hooked on Phonics, Dreambox, or ABC Mouse. And then Junior is doing Continents with Homeschool Pop, the program that I was telling you all about. And Dad is helping Zamora with her math worksheet because she's,
One, two.
video learning workshop.
1, 2.
So you put 2 right here.
We're doing that one.
2.
Dad, you're helping her a little bit too much. So can you erase that stuff? She needs to write her own. This helps me because, so this is easy. All he has to do is watch this. So he's watching that. The hardest part is whoever is doing the work. So that's the hardest part. And once I'm done recording, I'm going to go over there and replace Dad so Dad can spend time with the kids because he just got home. And this is fairly easy because she'll just navigate this, on her own. Goodness, I hit my hand so hard. She'll navigate this on her own. She does not want to do ABC Mouse. But just like yesterday, she had a hard time doing stuff. And today she's having a hard time. She's having a lot of tantrums. So we're going to have to rectify that in a little bit. And this guy, he's just down here trying to figure out where the next mess is. He's feeling a little bit better right now. So that's a good thing. Jason! Hi, boy! So he's doing okay. And she's just navigating apps. How many dots are there?
3,
Right here. How many dots?
2.
Okay, so then you put a 2 right there. That's the home?
Yeah, wait.
Okay. Enjoy, okay?
Okay.
You'll switch in about 15 minutes. So do a good job.
I want to.
Let me know if you need any help.
Okay.
All right, got her little grumpy to go and switch to the next station. She doesn't want to be a part of anything. Zamora is watching Continents now, so we've swapped. Come on, Boo, let's go. Do it. Come on. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, get the blue box. Yeah, take the blue box out of here. In here. Here, put these out. Put these down. Get that blue block. Put it right here. Get this blue block. Put it right here. And get this blue block. And put it right here. How many do you have? Can you count them? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's count again. We say 1, 2, 3. 3 blue blocks. Okay, put them back. How many purple blocks do you have? 1. We don't have any more down here. That's okay. We could just use what we have.
There.
Okay, so how many purple blocks do you have now?
There you go.
How many do you have? You want to count them? 1, 2. Okay. Which continent is that?
Australia.
Australia. It's the smallest continent. What's the largest continent?
The largest continent is Australia.
No, that's the smallest. What's the largest?
Asia.
Asia. Great job.